Hello, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you Audacity best settings for video recording. The first thing you want to do is to download and install Audacity on your computer if you haven't done so. After you have downloaded Audacity, the next thing is to launch it. Once you launch it, you'll be greeted with an interface just like you're seeing on my computer. The first setting that you're going to mess around with is the audio setup. Once you click on it, you have the host, the playback device, recording channels, rescan audio device, and audio settings. So the first thing you want to touch is the playback device. So the playback device allows you to choose the particular device that is going to be giving you the output. So in this case, it's definitely going to be your speaker or your headphone. Once you've chosen that one, then the next thing is your recording device. So you have to locate the microphone that you're using to record and choose it. So once you choose it, you move to recording channel. Since you're using microphone, it's definitely going to be mono. As for the rescan audio device, you're going to be needing it if your computer fails to recognize your microphone. So once you do the rescan, your computer will be able to say it. So once you're done with that, the next thing is audio settings. You want to ensure that your project sample rate is at 44100 Hz. Then the default sample rate is also at 44100 Hz. Default sample format should be in 32-bit float. So that's basically the things you're going to be messing around with when setting up your Audacity for the best recording. Now, once you're done with this, you also want to go to your computer to ensure that the microphone you're using to record is selected. To do this, right click on the speaker icon, then open settings. Once you open your sound settings, you want to be sure that the microphone you're using to record is selected. As you can see, my output device is the microphone I am using to record, and my input device is also the microphone that I am using to record. You should also look at the volume. You can mess around with this volume because sometimes when the volume is too loud, your microphone tends to pick unnecessary sound that you don't want. Depending on the microphone you're using, you want to mess around with it to be sure that it is suitable for you, because I can't give you the exact level that your master volume should be, because my microphone and that of yours may actually differ. So once you have all of that set up, you head back to Audacity. Now that you're ready to record, you hit the red icon to start recording. Once I hit the red icon, you movement of the wave. The movement of the wave actually tells you that your recording has started. So once you're done recording, you hit the stop button to stop recording. Now, if you want to pause, you can as well hit the pause button to stop recording. That's basically how you set up Audacity for the best sound recording. You should also check out my tutorial on how to remove background noise to learn how to go about that. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials if you haven't done so already.